Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a moonwalking panda out of MBLOCK coding. Here I've opened MBLOCK, I've opened my application. Now the moonwalking panda is going to work like this. It's right nice. So if you want to make the same, just follow my instructions and see. So first we're going on to costumes. It has 11 costumes. So the first costume it looks like this. I'm just going to keep each costume for at least 5 minutes, 5 seconds. So you can just copy that and make it if you want. Okay, so the second costume looks like this. If you have copied that, if you don't have enough time to copy that, just pause this video and see and copy it. And the third costume, then fourth costume, then fifth costume, then sixth costume, seventh costume, eighth costume, ninth costume, 10th costume, and last 11th costume. So after you're done with all these costumes, now it's time for decoding. But before we start with decoding, let me just show you how to make the costumes legs. I'm just adding another panda for just for your thing. Okay, so how we do this is the second costume we're just going to delete it, the first panda costume. Okay, then first I'm going to take the eraser. So this is just like an example. If you don't understand how to do it, you can just follow. Then I'm going to take the eraser, which is here, convert to bitmap. I'm going to select here, and then the eraser I select, then it all looks like this, all sharp things. I'm going to put the eraser size to 25. Yeah, 25. After that, I'll erase his legs. Just make it look like his legs are erased. I'm going to take the line as we do in the other things, other animations. I'm going to put it to 20. Then I'm going to put it to black. Now it's all black. So like if you want to do his legs, okay. Now the panda looks like this, but for the shoes we have to do more things. So I'm going to decrease the size of the line to 5. 5 is perfect. And I'm going to put brightness to full and saturation to 0. That makes it white. And after the white is done, you you take the white dot on his legs, then just drag it like this, and then another one only on his feet, because that it looks like it has shoes now. It's wearing shoes. So now what we're going to do is, if you want to do kind of flash animation with only M-block, here is the first trick that is little bit tricky, but if you don't have flash animation you can use this and that's going to work. So I'm going to duplicate this, and then you can take any color you want. So I'm putting everything to 100, brightness, saturation and hue. So then I'm putting the hue to 60 or 52. Hue 52, but if you want, you can choose other colors. I'm Hue 52. I'm taking as blue. So I'm just going to put it to 20. Yeah, now it's big. Now, how do you want to do the second costume? It's going to work like this. So if you do anything wrong, it's okay because the first costume is secure because you have duplicated it. So I'm going to put the blue like this. And then I'm just doing some examples here. I'm not doing the exact as the first Panda's costumes, like the 11 one which I showed. But this is just for, yeah. Okay, so now it's ready. Now we see that we have done the blue. So that portion is highlighted and the black is covered. You don't need to cover the black fully. So now if you want to do like flash animation, you take the eraser, put it to 15. Yeah. And then erase all the black slowly. Don't erase the blue, only the black. Erase all the black, but don't erase the blue. Be careful while doing this, otherwise you have to redo that all again and you cannot do the same costumes again. Okay, so now here it how is it looking? Nice, right? Okay, so now I'm going to take the fill. I'm going to take the pink color and all the small black color dots you can see here. I'm selecting that. Some black color dots get remained. So now with the black, I'm going to put the black on 21. I'm going to cover the blue. Then again I'm going to put it on 5. And then put the color to white and make those shoes again. Okay, here's our second costume as we did it without any trouble. So it looks nice, right? We have done it in flash animation tricks over here on MBLOCK. So you can, by doing this, you can copy all the costumes. If you don't want to make my kind of costumes, you can make your kind of costumes, but just check some other videos on it how to do moonwalk dances. Okay, now let's come to the code. After you're done with your costumes, the code is when space key pressed. Wait 1 second. So then switch costume to costume 1. Then I'm going to duplicate this part. Then make the switch costume to costume 2. Then duplicate it. Then 3. And this one is 4. I'll duplicate it again. This one is 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 is done. We have to do it more. Hmm. 8, 9, 10, 11. So if there are any extra parts, just take it out. And there's one more thing. If you want the moonwalk dance to go longer, you can add more 5 costumes to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have to duplicate this. After duplicating that, after it's 11, you have to go to again 1, then 2, costume 3, costume 4, and then costume 5. And then let's add one more costume, costume 6. So now the order is costume 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now your first part of the code is done. Second part of the code is quite short and easy. When space key pressed, wait 1 second, then go to block in the motion tab, and then put 1 138 for the x, and for the y you put minus 42 for the y. Then the last but not least, the code here, and glide 5.1 seconds, 5.1 seconds, 2x 138 minus 42. So now your code is ready, but there's one last thing to do. I'm just going to delete the extra code. Yeah, so the code which you done, the first code, is something last. Except of 1 second, you have to make it 0.3 seconds. So I'm making all of this 0.3 seconds. This might take a while, but it's totally worth it after you're done. And this is my last animation. I'm going to stop showing animations. So from now I'm going to show you how to make games on MBLOCK. So stay tuned for more videos like this for more fun. Okay, I'm done with all the 0.3 seconds. I'm just going to delete this extra code here. Yeah, so here is how your code should look like. I'll just minimize it. Okay, after you're done with it, just be ready. So now all you have to do to see the moonwalk dance is just press your space key. 3, 2, 1. Wow, it looks pretty nice. Here is how your moonwalk dance should be. So if your code doesn't work, just copy all the code again, rewatch this video. If it works, just enjoy with your panda. Do more things with it, like make it walk somewhere from one place to place. Then there's a lot more things. You can do animations like me, like how I did in the first. So I'm going to show you how to make games. Those games are going to be pretty fun. So I'm going to meet you in the next video. So bye. Stay tuned with my videos and uh, and watch more. So I'm going to be showing more videos. So for that, you have to watch the videos to understand how I code. And if you don't understand how to code, just tell. I'll make more videos on it. So you can also tell me how videos to make, like which games to make, and you can give me ideas so I can make videos out of it and show it on YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to meet you on the next video. Goodbye. Have fun with your panda and stay tuned.